What is up, YouTube? What is up, everyone? Hope everyone has had a good start to their weekend so far. Today's video, we are going to look at a swing trade setup that has been going well for me for a couple weeks now, and we're kind of gonna do a little top-down analysis on it as well. So let's get started here. So this swing trade setup that I have been in is on AUD CAD, right? So we'll look at the before setup and we'll go through what I saw first. So we're on the daily time frame here, right? See up here, and we see, you know, a big push to the downside. And what does that downside push show us, right? We see a push to the downside here too, but what does it do? Right? It doesn't really break structure, but it creates equal lows, right? So we have equal lows here and we push through that. And then we start making a retracement back up into this highest point of this supply zone here. And as you can see, right, I had seen it after there was already two daily rejections, right? Two candles. And then we can talk about what we can see on the lower time frames as price was in this area here. So before we go to the after, let's just go and look on the chart here. So, well, here you guys see the after now. But so we saw a price in this area here, up here, right? So, we could enter there if we catch it, right? And then another option is, since we're on the daily time frame and you may not have the confidence to know if a point of interest is going to hold up or not, you can drop down to a lower time frame always and try and find your entries from there. So we're on the daily. Now we go down to the 4-hour time frame. And you can see here, right? These were those 2 days that gave us the rejection. We see one rejection here and two. And what happens? We get a fast little impulse to the downside. Now look, some of you might be looking here, some of you might be looking here, and then up here, right? Here's how I determine if a level is going to reject from it or not, right? So say if I'm looking up here first, and price rejects here and gives us a strong push again to the downside, right? And it broke structure again. Most likely price isn't gonna come back to this area. So I would be looking here to catch a entry to take this to the downside. So yeah, that is a quick little top-down analysis on AUD CAD and how you can catch a higher time frame point of interest and then lower time frame structure. And just to show here right quick, this was that trade setup right here on AUD CAD on that structure right there. So we go back here, and yeah, that's where I sold at right here. And you can see my first TP was, oh, it was this low actually on the 1 hour. Yeah, right here. So first TP was there. But yeah, here's the before and here's after with a total of 313 pips. So if you guys like the video, be sure to give me a like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys learned anything, if you guys got some value, if you guys got any other ideas of what you want to see from me in the future. And yeah, and enjoy your weekend. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.